Hi there, welcome to this short video on extracting and combining data. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how and why two different data sets might need to be combined before analysis. And so let's think about a restaurant at the beach that wants to examine the effect of daily weather, average temperature, average wind speed, and cloud cover on daily sales. This means that the restaurant is going to have to extract sales and weather data on a daily basis so that they can do their comparison on a daily basis. And then what they're going to have to do is join this weather data and then the sales data on a common field. In this case, the common field would be date. Let's take a look. So we have our weather data right here, and we have our sales data right here. This is a query in Microsoft Access. So I can run my weather data. You can see we have it by date. I can run my sales data. You can see we have it by date. And what we need to do now is combine these two sets of data. So when we do that, we combine it in our Microsoft Access. We combine it based upon date. There's the two fields. It's common, date. And then when we run it, we have our date, total sales, temperature, wind speed, and cloud cover all in one data set. And now we can do our analysis. Thanks so much. Bye.